Hi, in this episode we are learning about hollow cylinder and its lateral surface area. A solid bounded by two coaxial cylinders of the same height and different radii is called a hollow cylinder. Now we are going to learn surface area of hollow cylinder. Let capital R be the external radius, small r be the internal radius, h is the height of cylinder. We have to calculate two base areas and curved surface area, which includes external surface area plus internal surface area. Each base surface area is equal to pi into capital R square minus small r square units. Curved or lateral surface area is equal to external surface area plus internal surface area, which is equal to 2 pi capital R h plus 2 pi small r h square units, equal to 2 pi h of r plus r square units. So total surface area is equal to lateral surface area plus two base surface areas. Which is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r h plus 2 pi into r square minus r square units. We can write this equation as below, which is equal to 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r h plus 2 pi into r plus r into r minus r square units, which is equal to 2 pi into r plus r into h plus r minus r square units. So the surface area of hollow cylinder is 2 pi into capital R plus small r into h plus capital R minus small r square units. Let's solve a problem. The diameter of the internal and external surfaces of a hollow hemispherical cell are 6 cm and 10 cm respectively. It is melted and recast into a solid cylinder of a diameter 14 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. Radius of hollow hemispherical cell capital R is equal to d by 2, which is equal to 10 by 2, which is equal to 5 centimeters. Internal radius of hollow hemispherical cell small r is equal to d by 2, which is equal to 6 by 2, equal to 3 centimeters. Volume of hollow hemispherical cell is equal to external volume minus internal volume, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 2 by 3 pi R cube, equal to 2 by 3 pi into R cubed minus small r cube, which is equal to 2 by 3 into pi into 5 cubed minus 3 cubed, which is equal to 2 by 3 pi into 125 minus 27. Since this hollow hemispherical cell is melted and recast into a solid cylinder, so their volumes must be equal. Diameter of cylinder is equal to 14 centimeters. It's given. So the radius of cylinder is equal to 14 by 2 equal to 7 centimeters. Let the height of the cylinder is equal to h. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h, which is equal to pi into 7 into 7 into h centimeter cube equal to 49 pi h centimeter cube. According to given condition, volume of hollow hemispherical cell is equal to volume of solid cylinder. We already calculate the volume of hollow hemispherical cell is equal to 196 by 3 into pi, which is equal to 49 pi h. Here 49 pi h is the volume of solid cylinder. By calculating this one, h is equal to 196 by 3 into 49, which is equal to 4 by 3 centimeter. Hence, height of the cylinder is equal to 1.33 cm. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.